When it's time to recharge your Toyota battery electric vehicle, follow these simple steps. For level 1 charging, locate the charging cable in the trunk and plug your vehicle's cable into any standard 120-volt 3-prong outlet. Ensure the vehicle is off and the doors are unlocked. Then open the charging door by pressing the rear edge. Insert the connector into the charging port until it clicks. The charging indicator will illuminate. Please note that level 1 charging takes the longest. You can also charge at home with a level 2 charger, either with a 240-volt outlet or a dedicated home charging station. If you're using a 240-volt outlet, commonly the type used for a washer, dryer, or stove, follow the same steps as level 1 charging. With the vehicle off and doors unlocked, open the charging door. Plug the vehicle's level 2 charging cable into the 240-volt outlet and insert the connector into the vehicle's charging port until it clicks. The charger indicator will illuminate. If you have a level 2 home charging station available, connect the station's cable to your vehicle's charging port and wait for the charging indicator to light up. The most common kind of public charging is level 2. Keep in mind that some stations may require a charging app to access them. When using a level 2 charger, follow the on-screen instructions. Insert the built-in cable connector until you hear a click and a light comes on confirming it's charging. Level 3 DC fast charging stations can be the most effective if you're looking to quickly get back on the road. Set up your charge using the applicable charging app. Open both the AC and DC inlets and insert the station connector until it clicks. The charging indicator will light up, and the Toyota app tracks the progress. We recommend charging to 80% to achieve the maximum benefit of the quick charging speed. If you notice that charging has not started, a charging schedule may be set. In this case, select Charge Now in the vehicle's settings to start recharging immediately. In both cases, monitor progress from the indicator or the multi-information display. When charging is complete, unplug and then store or return the cable to the charging station. You can count on the Toyota app to make your vehicle's charging management even easier. Here, you can do everything from checking the level of charge, starting charging, and receiving notifications when the vehicle is fully charged. When you're not at home, the Toyota app helps you locate nearby public chargers, showing the type and number of chargers available at each location. Want to schedule your vehicle's charging? You can set up a charging schedule via the vehicle's multimedia screen and manage it through the Toyota app. If you need to charge immediately, simply click Start Charging to override the schedule. You can monitor the charging progress from the indicator, the multi-information display, or within the Toyota app.